Hey guys, happy May 4th. I've seen a lot of May the 4th be with you memes today. That's how I knew it was May 4th. Otherwise, I typically don't know what day of the week it is. So it's Monday and Travis is back into the grind today, and I wanted to share with you the updates of the rigs and where we are and how it's going. When we started during all of this COVID mess and we're continuing with work, it was going well. Things really hadn't slowed down for us. The hardware store was still open. His trips were a lot less frequent and we were still doing okay. Now that we're nearing the ends of them, we're trying to order those final pieces, and shipping is slowing us down, and having lost our 2 employees has definitely slowed us down. So our timeline for these rigs is getting pushed back a little, unfortunately, which is so hard to tell our clients who are so excited to get in them, and we are just as excited for them. But it's just sort of out of our hands. We're not sure when we can have employees back. We're not sure where some of our things are that we've ordered that have been shipped. And we have to kind of get creative as to what we're gonna do for those things that we typically order and aren't available anymore. So, COVID is showing its effects in our business, but we are still working and still lucky that we can. And so I'm gonna walk through the rigs today and share with you where they're at, because they're coming along super fast and they're really starting to get some character, and I'm really excited because they're both very different. So here we go. "36-foot bunkhouse. It's a Jayco Eagle. Inside's all painted, flooring is all done. We've added this wall here because on the other side of this is a bathroom, and they didn't need 2 entry points, so that wall will be good space. Brand new vanity with a step stool. This slide had bunks, but we took those out. We're gonna make this an office space, kept the bunks in here. This kitchen is absolutely to die for. I love how the countertops turned out. We did butcher block, which are heavy, but in a 5th wheel it can hold the weight, and because this is a more stationary rig, that is okay. So Travis custom built the entire kitchen area, and I love the way it turned out. New sink, new faucet, all of that is in. Cabinets on this side, so it's got dual storage access on both sides. An outlet right there, which is great. An outlet up here. And we're gonna do open shelving in this section. We'll do a custom table over here, and they actually have a table in their home that they really didn't want to get rid of. So we are going to use that tabletop and custom build it for this area. Couch will go in here. This was an entertainment center. We took that out, and we'll do more open shelving up here. Little coffee bar here with a shelf. And because this is a more stationary rig, open shelving is fully doable. Heading upstairs to the master. The bed just got put in today. What's great about this 5th wheel bed, and different than our own, is it has storage underneath. Ours does not. I wish it did. But this is going to be a lifesaver for them. Extra storage space. Lifts pretty well. They've got this great little system here. This will have a cabinet on it, and it can be used as a hamper. We're going to do a butcher block countertop on this to match the one in the kitchen. They've got closet space, drawer space, lots of storage in here. This one's really coming along. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty when it's all done. Just so exciting. So this is the 5th wheel. The great part about 5th wheels are the ceilings are so high. That's the one compliment we get in our home all the time, is how high the ceilings are. So lots of storage, lots of space. This one will also be getting an island in it. So we'll be putting an island here. And like I said, with a stationary rig, your options are just a little different than what you do in a rig that travels. So we'll go see the one that is going to be a full-time travel rig.
What's up?
Hey,
Oh,
doing a trailer update. How's it going?
good. Getting after it.
So we turned this shipping container into a paint booth, which has been
Like game changer, man. It's been so nice. Yeah, being able to paint things and then close the doors and go work on other things. It's been awesome. Post show.
Your beard has paint in it.
You can see my pores.
So what are you spraying right now?
Doors, and face to a fridge and a couple other cabinet faces.
Nice. So you want to tour this one? All right. So this is what we call the Aloha rig. The family lived in Hawaii for a while they were stationed there. So we aptly named it the Aloha rig. This is a custom built coffee bar space with pantry, because this rig did not have a pantry. We've got the front bed here that was a normal RV bed with a walkway on both sides, but we turned it, added drawers and storage, which end up being so much space. The drawers are always really large when we do this. They're hard to open without knobs. And then you swing it around here, we've got the kitchen. We did a plywood countertop, sealed that. We'll put the faucet in here, a large sink, and then they've got a lot of space here, and then we're going to do a flip-up cutting board on this end. We left the cabinet space above just so that because there wasn't a lot of space for storage. They did not want a microwave, so we were able to take that out and add a large storage cabinet in here for larger appliances. And then this blue color is really going to match the really cool backsplash that we got that has not come in yet. In here we'll do a custom table, couch with storage, overhead cabinets are all in, and the bunkhouse is what Travis is working on next. So we'll save that because that's going to be cool. We did put in a new bathtub. We're going to tile the shower. Countertop's ready for this. That'll go in. And we've got a new skylight going in too. Lots of new stuff. I love the colors in this one. This one's so full of color and character. It's going to be so pretty when it's done. Renovations for us have recently changed a little. So it's changed because our employees aren't here. So you were on your own for a couple weeks and knocking it out pretty well.
Oh, yeah.
And then all of a sudden it was just like, both of the rigs were at the same point.
Mm-hmm.
And we went to go order things. Nothing's shipping. Nothing's in stock.
Can't go to stores to buy it.
Yeah.
The stores
are closed.
Thankfully, Lowe's is open, but I'm even noticing that their supply on some things is running. You know, so it's kind of like, I don't know, weird times.
Well,
man.
and you go into Lowe's and it's like full of people.
Yeah, now Lowe's is like the new mall.
Who are buying everything.
Everything. It's crazy.
Which doesn't help when we're trying to do jobs.
Yeah, that's what other contractors in there have been like, dude, what the heck? This is awful. So yeah, stop going to Lowe's, everybody. Jace.
So we're finding that we're having to let our clients know that it's going to take a little longer than we had anticipated just because we can't get the things we need. So we're having to like search out different options and find new ways around it all. But otherwise, they're coming together.
And we're just lucky we're still working. I mean, so many people are sitting at home. Luckily, we're sitting at home still working.
Yep.
So we're super fortunate, but at the same time, we're starting to see it affect us. But,
But those are the updates. Stay
yep.
tuned. We'll keep sharing because these are really, over the next few weeks, these are really going to start coming together. The backsplashes are going to go in, the fun stuff, the colors, all of that fun stuff's going to start happening.
All the custom roll pieces start getting built.
And what I love about these two is they're so different. You know, one is a fifth wheel and we're going with very like black and whites. And this travel trailer we're adding some colors to, which is really, really, really fun. I love color. So they're both going to be really different, but they're both going to end up finished around the same time.
And the next few weeks are going to be super fun progress.
Yeah.
Dang, that light is so good. Here, let's just do. Aww.
Oh, so cute.
All right. She's touching my butt.
All right.
Love you.
Back to work.
Peace out.
Peace out. There's the boys. Ah! This is why Mom doesn't come in here.
Yeah.
Oh God. Why? Why? Why are there Lego pieces all over the floor?
I'm trying to build something.
I still don't understand.
I'm trying to build something. Like every single kid. I'm trying to build something.
I mean, why are like the pieces that you don't use like not in the bucket? And how do you walk in here without stepping on everything?
Shoes on.
Stressing me out, bro. Stressing your mother out. Love you.
Love you too.
Okay, show me what you built. I want to see your tree house. What did you do with that? Why is that apart?
Huh?
I loved that tree house. You should have put it up here for display.
No, I'm playing with it.
Where?
Right here. I need two. One, two.
Ay, ay, ay. All right. Bye.
I'm cold.
How's that pool?
Fun. But it's so cold.
It'll get better as the summer gets here. So silly. I like your hair.
Are you want to go on the trampoline? Thank you.